Hello guys, welcome to a new review. I just got this Airback. There is a backpack that you can use for cheap travels like Ryanair or Wizz Air. And it has a special quality that I will show after the unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I like the material. It says that it's waterproof, so we're gonna test that. But it looks like it's waterproof because of how it feels. It has a lot of pockets. You can see that here you can put your bottle of water. Here you have a secret place for your passport or your phone or whatever is important for you. This thing looks like it's really comfy because it has like bubbles or something. It's a breathable thing for your bag so you don't get too sweat. I can see that here is a USB-C and USB charger. I'm gonna find out how this works because it has, you have to charge it or you have to put something. We'll see. And from here, you can see that it's a accessible place that you can get like your wallet, or no, not your wallet. Never put your wallet here because it can be stolen. But maybe your glasses or your headphones or whatever it is accessible. You can put your keys here in this thing. Okay. It has some code lock, so you can put like your luggage secure here with this. Okay, and let's see when you open it. So it has two spaces, one for clothes, I would say, yes, and this is for what? Let's see. Whoops. What's happening? Okay. And here you have like a space for pencils, iPad, whatever you want to put, your notebook. And this is secured by the code lock, so looks pretty safe. But let's jump into the most important quality of this bag. That's why I got it. Because this is not a sponsored video. I haven't been sponsored yet, hopefully, for an Airback. So I can see that it's a little bag, another little bag. Okay, I think this is for this, maybe. Let's see. The material from inside, it looks pretty good. Water resistant too. Is like the same from outside but more white. Here is like a compartment for shoes or whatever you want to put. Looks pretty good. Here for some other stuff, maybe socks or boxers or whatever. And there is the pump. This is what makes the magic, and the back too. Let's see. Open. Okay. So here is the pump, and which of these should I use? I think this one because I have seen this one before. And this goes here. Okay. So the thing is that you have some space here to save stuff, and it's gonna be like really full of, I don't know, if you put some trousers and you put some t-shirts and you close it, it's gonna be with air, and it's gonna be like more big than your bag because it's air inside, because it's compressor. Okay, so the thing is that if you use this pump and you put it here and you press the button, you can start sucking the air and make more space. So you saw that it was full of air and now it's compressed the air inside, so you can put more stuff. So it works with clothes and everything, because it's like it's the same thing that you use with the vacuum cleaner and the IKEA box when you're gonna storage things without any air. It works the same. So yeah, I really like it. It looks like really useful because you can storage more. There is another thing that I saw that is if you need more space, you can get more space because you can get the bag bigger with this. So you still have more space if you need more as your carry-on, and no one can say anything because it's your backpack. So I like it. And let's prove now the water resistance. Let's see. Okay, so I got some water and let's try. Okay. It's wet because it's water, but it's pretty good because it didn't like got stuck. Okay, like it. Let's clean this mess. Yeah, with a simple towel paper you can clean it and it's gonna be dry. The only thing that I can say that these parts are not water resistant, so these parts are gonna get wet, but at least the front, that is the most common thing that is gonna get rain. If it rains, it's not gonna get wet. So pretty cool. I recommend it if you are a traveler and you want to use your stuff like really close to you and you don't want to pay for the baggage. I didn't review this, so let's see. So here is a little bag for your special needs. So it's the same product or the same material of the bag, and it comes with the bag. So pretty cool too. And let me know in the comments if you have any other question. Don't forget to follow for more reviews, and let's see you. Have a good day.